BM Chess Club. How we doing? Welcome back. It's Brian, and this is our road to 2200. Let's begin the journey right now, and it looks like we have a game again. A special opponent who goes by the name of Searching from the country of rating range 2153 to any. Just kidding. We are facing the Vietnamese superstar. It is Huy B, the 22-21 rated player. And here we are, finding ourselves on the white side of a Sicilian defense. And we already have like a plus 1.5, but these positions are never easy to convert. We're just going to develop. We got two pieces out. He did have to retreat his knight. Let's finish our king side development, and then we're going to castle. I do have a couple announcements to make, which number one is you see I have a new setup, which also explains the next thing I'm about to say. And it's that you might notice that our rating is slightly different than it should be. I'm actually going to play this, by the way. It's one game lower than it should be, and that's because I was recording the previous game, and we had some technical difficulties. My camera was like glitching, and we did lose the game. So nonetheless, we're back to 2178s, and we have this new setup. I hope this camera angle is not too weird, but my other camera was glitching, so I have to use this camera temporarily. Or maybe not temporarily if it looks good. En passant creates quite the open position. I guess we'll do it. Okay. I'd love to just play h3 here. Okay, this is protected, but don't want to give it up. Okay, so now we could open the position even more. We could push here. We push here. He does have forks almost, but no, because we have protection. Or do we? Takes. Okay, let's try pushing. That could have been a mistake. Possibly was a mistake, but... Okay, yeah, it looks like now we are going to lose a pawn. So that did not work out. But we're going to try our best to survive it. Okay, yeah, too many distractions, but no excuses. We got a long game to go. Our opponent's like blitzing. He's wasted 30 seconds on 18 moves. Not wasted, but used. And we're down a pawn, but that's okay. We're gonna try our best here. Yeah, you guys can see my mic here. Now you see a little bit of my new setup. Yeah, brand new house. So brand new setup. And let's see what he plays here. Who he be, if you know what I'm saying. Kwang Hui, it's kind of a fun name to say. Does this win a pawn back maybe? Probably not. Yeah, because there's this, he has this, we slide down. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, no, that doesn't win a pawn. What if we just... We could also come this way. Yeah, it seems a little bit more reasonable. Okay, I knew he was going to play that. We're at least hitting this, but he'll probably throw this in. Then we come here, though. Okay, yeah, now we come here. This I don't mind. This is awkward, and this is awkward. This is awkward, and this is awkward for him to deal with. Who knows? That D3 pawn, we could potentially win that one day. Our B2 pawn is temporarily protected by our queen. Yeah, I don't mind this. Oh. But wait. Takes. If he takes with this, we take this, and then we get that. Takes. If he takes with this, we can still do this. Yeah, definitely taking. I could be missing something, let's be honest here. Okay, now we do this. Awkward. So now there's this, and he takes here, but then we get this. No, because then... There's also just this move, or just this. Boom, and he's gonna take here. If we take it, he takes it. We take, sorry, not like that. We take here, he takes here. I think no matter what, we're still down a pawn. There's also like this type of active move. There's this. He still does this though. There's just this, which is kind of slow. This doesn't work. I mean, this pawn's kind of bad anyway. All three of these pawns are bad, whereas these two pawns are kind of good. So maybe, just maybe, we play this stupid slow move. Do I have... Well, I have my reasoning, but my reasoning's not necessarily correct. Let's put it that way. I just think this pawn, it's not really necessary to pick it up right now. We could save this pawn, and now maybe we get this one. That's my thought. Okay, so now we go boom. He goes, and then we get this back. Okay, maybe we try it. At least we're getting the pawn back. Does he have some nasty move here, though, which I figured might be that. But, oh. Oh. This. So wait, if we go here, it's not threatening checkmate, and he also has this. So I think what we should do is this. God. He played that so fast. Okay. Let's play this. He just gave me his queen. Okay, we need to deal with this though now. He did give me the queen, but doesn't mean we're out of trouble. For example, this, he plays this. Checks are always a good idea for starters. There's also this move for starters, which I'm pretty fond of. We're hitting this, and this is not available now. Why did he give me his queen, dude? He forgot about it. He forgot about it. We're happy. That was lucky. That was lucky. Welcome to the BM Chess Club. Luckiest chess YouTuber in the game. Let's be honest. How do you think I got this 2178 rating? Skill? Don't be fooled. Do not be fooled, ladies and gentlemen. The thing is, when he moves this, we cannot really get this pawn immediately. We're going to have to... Because he's obviously protecting it. Okay, so he does this. Let's do check. go check, and then we're gonna come here. Check and come here. This is fine. Let's use our queen. Let's not forget that. Would I give up this rook for the pawn and the bishop? Absolutely. That should be obvious. Cannot believe he gave me his queen. That was pretty hilarious. That was pretty hilarious. I saw it immediately too. His best move was clearly, well, I don't know if it's clear, but he did have a better move. Okay, let's trade. And now let's try to get pawns. He'll probably play this and we'll play this. Time is definitely relevant, but not like a do or die situation quite yet. Okay, I'm gonna push this. Really no reason. I just thought it would be cool. Yeah, if he ever came here, that'd be obviously deadly. Okay, so he wisely gets to a safer square. Okay, let's do this just because we would at least, yeah, so we get this pawn and our queen's gonna start getting a little active. Let's just start giving checks. Yeah, let's come here. Let's come here. Okay, now we can do this. It's protected. Gotta get this rook off a safe square. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, he's flirting with trouble. Okay. Okay, this is a trap. He cannot take it, obviously, because we'd fork. We can also maybe get this pawn one day. Okay, wise decision, but that's not gonna do it. And that's resignation. Okay. Let's dude, luckiest chess YouTuber in the game. Let's jump over. Oh no, what happened here? See, I haven't fixed my settings yet, guys. Okay, let's just do this. I'm here, guys. Let's just do this. Ugly game by both players. There's no hiding it. So yeah, as I said, we have like a plus 1.5 right out of the gate. Boom. 1.2. Develop your pieces. Yeah, sliding back was best. I was just concerned about this. And then I was going to play this, honestly. Okay. And yeah, so that gave up. Wow, the best move was this, which is kind of surprising. But I guess getting this is good. All right, let's go to the key moment of this game. Yeah, I remember when I said he played this, I was like, that doesn't look good. I'm happy to see that. And it did even the game out. It was a minus 2.5. Takes, and yeah, I just mess up his pawns. And okay, so despite thinking all day and night, we made a bad move. This was bad too. This was bad too. Wait, I thought this was bad because, oh, bro, it's a minus 4 anyway. I thought he had this. Oh, just push. That's even worse, true. Okay. Well, we did this, yeah, and he just forgot. And then we started finally playing well, look. Best move, best move, best move, best move, best move. And yeah, we didn't really make any more mistakes, luckily. Wow. All right, guys. Well, that is a win. A win's a win. And our rating's back to 2187. We just beat a 2200, so that's good. It was lucky, granted. Look at this. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. I don't know which camera to point at. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and peace out.